Okay. Brotobuno. Okay, I'll try this one, please.
This?
Yeah. Can I have the cone?
This regular cone?
How much is this one, the big one?
550.
550. Okay, I'll take this one. This cone. Yeah.
Chocolate almond rings.
How much is the additional if there's a chocolate?
€7.
€7.
Yeah.
No, just the normal one. You can
Plain?
Plain, yeah. Ah, another one. Okay. Can I get the which one? Strawberry mango. Probably this one, the stracciatella. Nahirapan akong pumili dito. No, the tiramisu better. Yeah. Hindi ako makapag-decide. 11:40 pa ang akin. Yeah, please.
Mint ko da?
Not the dark one.
Mint.
Yeah.
This is
Chocolate.
no,
Ah.
another cone? Yeah?
Okay, please.
Another cone?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Butas daw kasi sa ilalim. So, dalawa. Thank you so much. Aw, thank you. Sarap na. Coffee siya. Tiramisu, sarap. Tatlong flavors. First, I'm here at Milan Central, back again, because I'm heading to Florence. And of course, puno na raw yung train. So next train na ako around 11. Still have like 1.5 hours mag-aantay. By the way, na-fine pala ako. Kasi expired yung ticket ko. I'm gonna tell you what happened. Hindi ka pwedeng hindi kakain ng gelato. Sarap. Tatlong flavor to. Tiramisu, stracciatella, Brotobuno. At dalawa yung ano ko, cone. Yung isang cone kasi basag yun sa ilalim. Kasi basag yun sa ilalim, so nilagyan pa niya ng isa. Then, so then, heading to Florence! Nasa maling platform na naman ako, din na lang 5 minutes ago bago umalis. What do you call that one? Sorry. What do you call that one? I mean, porchetta. Ah, okay. Porchetta. Sa amin, lechon yan. I'm here. In Florence. Okay, so let's explore the city. Oh my god, yung McDonald's. I love McDonald's, really. But first, let me find yung hostel ko. Ito na yung location. Kanina pa ako doorbell ng doorbell. Open na pala. Ano floor? Second floor. So, kanina pa ako doorbell ng doorbell. Kanina pa ako doorbell ng doorbell. Open pala. Kailangan ko lang i-push yung door. So, I hope this elevator. Look at their elevator. Kung gaano kaliit. Ayun. Ganyan kaliit. Yan ito kaliit yung elevator. So, I believe it's second floor. Ang liit na elevator, in fairness. Oh. Ito lang siya. Parang mapuputol pa. Oh my god, this is serious. Puputol siya. Iwala lang. Ito na tayo.
Have coffee and you find us. How about that?
Pretty done.
Ons moet so half ons kaartjie kry, is 12 meter so. Tikman naman natin. Uy, tikman ko na pala. Ano siya, lasagna with beef sauce. Tikman natin. Pasok sa banga ito sa akin. Lasagna nila. Isa lang ang complaint ko. Ang lamesa nila gumagalaw. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano yung meaning ng caprese. So, ito in-order ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano kainin to. Oh my goodness. So, I think I have to eat like this. And, hindi ko nagkakamali ah. Ang sarap ng tomato nila. Tamis. Thumbs up.